Back from the Rose Anvil vaults, we're bringing back the HiSea wallet. People have been begging us for years to bring this back, so now it's in all our veg tan leather and our core leathers, and completely redesigned from the wallet that I designed 10 years ago. So now all you gotta do is pinch and pull all your cards and cash out, while you still got room for your most used cards in the front and back. Check out the HiSea below. This is a heavy box. And I think I know what's inside of it, but I don't really know this brand. I don't even know how. HiSea? It's gotta be HiSea. That makes a lot of sense, actually. HiSea. So let's do a little research to figure out who this brand is and what they sent us, because I don't know how to even pronounce her name. Pronunciation. Whoa, that's not the same word.
HiSea.
No, I want HiSea. HiSea. But what is this based off of? Some random pronunciation website? Uh-oh, we get a freaking virus. Please. Nice. Howtopronounce.com. Very good. Get out of here. I don't think it's a word. Okay, well let's check their website. Let's see if we can find how to say their brand name. Get out of here, Papa. Get out of here, store page. I'm looking for an about page. So it looks like more, whoa, easy on the scroll there. What do you call this kind of footwear, actually? Rubber boots? No, get out of here. What is this called? Like garden boots, farm boots, hunting boots, fishing boots, kids boots, waterproof boots? Okay, so it's an outdoor brand. Let's go to about HiSea. I guess I'm gonna guess it's HiSea. That makes the most sense to me. At HiSea, we believe that the best adventures begin with when you step outside. Founded with a passion for outdoors and commitment to quality, we set out to create footwear that keeps up with your lifestyle, no matter where your journey takes you. From humble beginnings, we have grown into a trusted brand, providing durable, comfortable, and reliable waterproof boots for outdoor enthusiasts around the world. Whether you're hunting in the backwoods, fishing by the river, working on the farm, or exploring the snowy mountains, HiSea is by your side. Keep your feet dry and warm. Our values: durable, comfortable, sustainable. Why HiSea? It's gotta be HiSea, right? They're made for water. Cutting edge waterproof technology, breathable fabrics, customer first. I don't know how to say your name. Well, that's not helping. Maybe on the blog somewhere? Tips about the boots, maybe? Spend 20 minutes just trying to figure out how to say the brand name. I don't know. Any brand that has their name that is not a classical spelling of the 100 English words I know, you gotta have a pronunciation. Because the same thing with On. On was a freaking disaster the first few years of On, because everyone still thinks their brand is called On Cloud, or they think it's QN, or they think it's Qing On. I'm like, come on, let's fix up this branding a little bit. Yeah, I don't know. I have no idea how they say their brand name. Pretty small social following. Who started it though? Who started this? Let's AI it. This screen is so small I can't see it. The resolution's too small. Founded 2011. Where did they get this? On the blog somewhere. Damn it. I'll take AI's word for it. HiSea was founded in 2011 by a group of outdoor enthusiasts to produce affordable, high-quality fishing gear and outdoor footwear. The brand has since expanded its product into waders, rain boots, and insulated work boots suited for hunting, farming, and general outdoor activities. Oh, I think, who is this? From Scratch Farmstead. In 2013, they figured it out. They did a comparison between Muck, Bogs, and HiSea, which we've all covered. So maybe we should do one of those too. Okay, come on. What is that? Is that the computer? I'm wearing out the computer with all this fast scrolling. We went on to learn that HiSea is pronounced HiSea. Where did you find this? All right, let's see what their final results were. Let me scroll to 35 ads to figure it out. We just made this blog $45 and scrolling through ads. Our favorite farm boots, HiSea. Winner, Bogs. Wait, what is this? I don't know. Yeah, whatever. If you want more information, go to FromScratchFarmstead.com. So at least somebody figured it out. I don't know how they figured it out, but they did. A lot of people have no idea that Rose Anvil started as a leather goods company and especially a camera gear company, because in 2018 we launched our very first Kickstarter, raised $500,000 for a camera harness. COVID hit immediately after, and so we started cutting boots and shoes in half from a professional leather worker's perspective. And that whole thing happened. I finally got around to designing all the rest of the camera gear that I've been wanting to release in like the last 5 years, starting with the little slim wrist strap, cinches down, hand sewn. It's our belt thickness leather, so it's super sturdy. Our slim neck strap, same kind of concept. Really simple attachments, solid brass, a little neck piece there. The lasso link, which is one of my favorites because this thing is super articulate. You see all these little individual pieces and how they flow and move around. Our Alone Bandit that you've probably heard me talking about plenty. It holds one camera at about as comfortably as humanly possible because it distributes your weight over a larger surface area. And then the Big Daddy, the full Bandit harness. This carries 2 to 3 cameras because you can get a third camera attachment with the Pro package, and everything is designed by me and handmade right here in the shop. So if you need to get some birthday gifts, if you need to upgrade your camera gear, or if you got an old camera just sitting around, you need a good excuse to pull it out, get yourself a little strap, check them out below. And thanks for supporting our handmade leather goods that makes this whole channel possible. So, should we get to it? Should we see what they sent us? Because like I said, we've done bogs, we've done muck, we've done, I think I said that. So now it's time for the HiSea with my giant Demco knife. This thing weighs like 10 pounds. What is it? Why does it weigh so much? Oh, I didn't cut out the tape. Because they sent me waders. Look at that. Dang. Little hanger. Wader hanger. I'm guessing that's what that is. Let's check it out. Tied with the really interesting little, I don't think I've ever seen that in my entire life. What is this? It's like a plastic string. Not that it matters, but it's just a weird, it's like tied it with licorice and it won't come out. Woo! I don't think I've ever owned a pair of waders. I come from a hunting family. Ooh, we got a little patch kit too. That's cool. Let's see. Yeah, I'm more of a hunting family rather than a fishing family. I think I've only been fishing like once in my whole life, to be honest. But waders are for more than just fishing. You can use them a lot of different ways, especially if you do some hunting up in Alaska, up in the Pacific Northwest. It's nice to have a pair of waders. Big old chunky heel on this thing. Grippy outsole, steel shank, made in China. Should we try them on? See if they fit? I'm the worst person to do fit tests because I've got a non-standard body. People are always like, I want to see what all these clothes look like on you. I'm like, me too. Me too, my friend. Okay, let's try them on. God, they're heavy. Oh, I can keep my shorts on. I can do this on screen. I'm gonna take my pants off. They sure feel like quality. It's nice, thick neoprene. The boots are heavy as I'm a 10 on the brand. I got size 10 boots. That feels about right. I got about 5 minutes in these before I drench myself in sweat. Okay, that fits pretty good, actually. Not bad. That fits really well. No side pockets, because you don't want a bunch of water in your pockets. I don't know what this is for, though. What is this? What is this? I don't know. I don't know how gators work. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Go kill some birds. Before I fall, hurt myself. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. So, whoa, before I drench myself in sweat in these, let's look at their other offerings. Because waders are cool. It's nice to have a pair of waders, but I wouldn't wear them nearly as much as some of these other boots and shoes. Like those little low top deck shoes, those are pretty sick. High top deck shoes, even lower. Those look cool. I like those. You got your regular pull-on boots that cinch around your ankle. Got some mid-tops. They're good looking boots. Some super tall ones. Garden shoes. Hunting boots. Some more style forward. God, they even have a lace-up version. What's this guy? Is it just all neoprene? Okay. Cool. So that's HiSea. We figured it out. It's pronounced HiSea. So if you want a pair, ooh, I almost fell in my chair. If you want a pair of gaiters, if you want a pair of rain boots, deck boots, low top deck boots, hunting boots, They got a bunch. So check them out below. And if you want to see comparison between bog, muck, and HiSea, let me know. Because I think we already did bug and muck together. I think. I can't remember. If so, we'll put it below. And check these guys out below. And thank you guys. See ya. I gotta get these up before I start sweating. Oh, just kidding. It's skin-colored shorts.